We're taking a ferry ride to Mackinac Island, a horse-powered city. Don't go away, I'll be right back. We park our RV in St. Ignace, where the ferries to Mackinac Island originate. Specifically, we park our rig at Cawaden Casino. They have a huge parking lot for RVs. You can choose to boondock for free or pay $20 a night for electricity and water connection. They also have a shared dump station. Sorry, actually it's only $15 a night. At the same time, you get access to their swimming pool and fitness center. We're now boarding the ferry. It's a good idea to take your bicycle along if you have one, for obvious reasons you'll see later.
Construction on the bridge began in 1954, and on November 1st, 1957, it was opened for traffic. With a span of approximately 5 miles, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world for many decades. Today, it is still the longest suspension bridge in this hemisphere, and the longest river fresh water. The bridge was designed by an engineer from New York named Dr. David E. Steinman. Dr. Steinman built the bridge to stretch under heavy traffic loads and to handle severe weather stresses. At times, the bridge can sway as much as 27 feet. The water depth below the bridge is about 300 feet at center span. The bridge is the official boundary between Lake Huron and Lake Michigan. The towers stand 552 feet above the water, 210 feet below the water line, and about another 100 feet into the bedrock below. Every Labor Day, an annual bridge walk is held, and there are about 50,000 people who cross the mighty Mack on foot.
Mackinac Bridge connects the lower and upper peninsula of Michigan. It also divides Lake Michigan and Lake Huron. It is the longest suspension bridge in the northern hemisphere. It can sway up to 20 feet. My first impression of downtown Mackinac Island is the horses and shit in the streets. They don't allow motorized vehicles on the island. You can see the equivalent of cargo truck, bus, taxi, and even garbage trucks, all powered by horses. The trail around the island is an 8-mile long loop. To do the trail by foot is going to take a while. We brought our 2 electric bikes with us. Otherwise, we would have to pay more than $160 to rent 2 bikes for the day. It seems like a quarter of the storefronts downtown are bicycle rentals, and another quarter sell fudge and ice cream.
So you just eat this like candy?
Very little at a time, small. It is mostly sugar. This much is sugar.
We saw quite a few Amish visitors. I guess the unmotorized lifestyle matches their principle. Their daily ceremony honors their history of German and French rule. By the way, the island name is pronounced as Mackinac because it's a French word. my battery was dead before I finished the second round. And my wheel size was like only a third of a regular bicycle. This is August 10th, 2022. That's all, folks. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.